This is Learning with Nisha. I'm coming back with a video to let you guys know an update about why I haven't been posting any vlogs lately of grocery shopping. So I did get summer EBT for my kids and I did not use it all at that time. And when I checked my account last week, I logged in and saw that the day after my benefit deposit, let me fast forward. So most of you guys know I'm a substitute teacher. So during the summers, I don't work. So I was able to apply to receive EBT benefits for the summer. And those benefits came on July 11th or July 10th. And then July 11th, there was two transactions, one for $400 and one for $500 done in California at a small mom and pop store. I reported that to the Las Vegas Police Department as well as DHS here in Las Vegas. They told me that there's nothing they can really do about it other than file an investigation, and I will not be able to receive any refund on my EBT benefits. So that's kind of unfortunate because I feel like I should at least be able to receive some type of reimbursement. So now I have to wait until August 10th to get benefits again, and then I'll be going back to school on August 11th, so I'll no longer probably be eligible for benefits. But it's very unfortunate that a single mom, a graduate student, and a teacher in Las Vegas was able to become a victim of EBT fraud, and there's pretty much nothing they can do about it. No one here is able to provide me with support, but luckily I am a teacher who has money saved up to be able to support my children and to be able to cover this unexpected expense. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be trying to come back with different videos telling you guys about the update.